In this video, I want to share what I believe is the best side hustle for beginners to make more money online in 2024. And it's not just for beginners. I work this side hustle myself. It is my number one recommendation for anyone looking to make more money faster and easier than ever before. It is ideal for online marketers of all experience levels. Even those who've never done a side hustle before can have major success here. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, and I've been working online side hustles on a full-time basis for years now. And it's not just about making money, it's about creating time freedom too. I ski most days in the winter, and I sail most days in the summer. I could never go back to a traditional job. And before we get going, can I ask you to help me out? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now, and also hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week, and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know this is the kind of content you like. And then one last favor, in the comments below, please let me know how you got value out of this video. So, if you are new to the term side hustle, it's just an activity you take on to make extra money. And there are an unbelievable number of side hustles today. In fact, they are probably more popular than ever. I was surprised to learn that over half the population works a side hustle today, but I guess it makes sense. Prices are out of control on so many things now. It seems almost everything has gone up except for wages. And I can understand why so many people need extra income just to cover their daily expenses. The real challenge is choosing the best side hustle, especially if you are a beginner at it. See, too many side hustles are more like taking on another job. Rather than leverage your time, you end up just trading your time for money. With those side hustles, the only way you can make more money is to put in more time. Well, that's no good. Remember, I'm all about making money and creating time freedom too. Who really has time for another job anyway? Who really wants one? We only have so many hours in a day. Common side hustles with this flaw include things you may have heard of, like DoorDash, Instacart, and Grubhub, where you deliver food or groceries, or Uber and Lyft, the ride-sharing side hustles, or maybe tutoring, dog walking, or plowing snow. Again, the only way you can make more money is to put in more time. You need to find a side hustle where you can leverage your time. And that's where what I feel is the very best side hustle for beginners and others really shines. It's a business model called affiliate marketing. This is where you sell a product or service and make money. It's actually easier than you think. I've been doing it for years now. I love it. There are many affiliate offers to choose from, and that can present a challenge. Selecting the right one to market can be tough if you don't know what to look for. You need to only promote quality products or services. Look, if it's something you would not be comfortable sharing with a loved one, it's not right for you no matter what the income potential. You want to promote affiliate offers with big commissions, and you want something with recurring income too. See, most offers pay out small percentage commissions one time only. And to make real money with those, you have to sell a lot of the product every day. Most people cannot do that, especially beginner marketers. I strongly suggest you avoid the so-called high-ticket offers, especially if you are a beginner. Like the name says, they cost a lot of money to get started. So, now that you know what to avoid, let me make a suggestion on what to look for. Only do an online side hustle so you can really leverage your time. Select one that requires a small startup cost, pays out significant commissions, and pays passive recurring income too. That's money that keeps coming in month after month from a sale you make one time. You will love getting paid months from now for a sale you make today. Let me share a little about the specific online side hustle I do. I think it is by far the best side hustle for beginners and experienced marketers alike. It is very affordable. It pays out big, 80% commissions on a weekly basis, and has recurring income too. I really like getting paid by direct deposit. Thanks to a simple, proven online marketing system, anyone can do this side hustle. No previous experience is needed. It only takes minutes per day. We have the best training and support in the industry, and on top of that, I will be your personal mentor and coach. In fact, I will show you how to create a full-time income in just 30 minutes per day. To learn more, go to my website at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.